Here's all the materials needed to make these easy butterfly hairpins. I saw these embroidered patches online, and I had an idea for some simple hairpins. I got the patches in this icy blue color, but they do come in a lot of different shades. You'll need a selection of crystal beads in colors that complement the butterflies. Also, a ruler is needed, and some rhinestone cup chain. Mine is in a light blue tone. You'll need U-shaped hairpins and 26 gauge wire. And finally, some side cutters and chain nose pliers. I'm going to show you how you can make two versions of this hairpin, one with some dangling chains and one without. Let's start with the simpler one without chains. Now, to begin, bring your ruler out. You need to cut about 50 centimeters of wire. Bend the wire in half to find the middle. Add a crystal bead and slide it where you just bent it. Place the bead between your right thumb and index finger and begin turning it. Do this until you have about half a centimeter of twisted wire. Then add another crystal and position it next to the first bead, leaving enough space for half a centimeter of twisted wire beneath it. These will form the antennas for the butterfly. Now take one of the wire ends. Thread it through the top of the butterfly patch. The hack here is to use the wire like thread and needle to attach the beads to the patch. Then to form the body of the butterfly, add 4 crystal beads on the other wire. Put the wire end through the bottom of the patch. Turn the patch around and find the center of it. Push the wire through to the front. To anchor the 4 beads to the center, take the wire to the other side of the beads and thread it through to the back. Continue by taking the first wire next to the antennas and push it through from the center of the back to the front. Then take it to the other side of the beads and put it through to the back. Pull the wire through and make sure the beads are on tightly. And now we can use the same wires to attach it to a U-shaped hairpin. Position the hairpin at the back of the patch and start wrapping one of the wires around it. Cut the extra wire off with your side cutters and make sure to press the end down with your chain nose pliers so that there's no sharp edges. Repeat the same on the other side with the remaining wire. And this is the first hairpin done. Now I'll show you how you can easily add some more detail to it by adding a rhinestone chain to the design. Repeat the process of making the antennas and adding the beads for the body of the butterfly. When you get to this point, it's time to add the dangling chain to it. You'll need a 25cm piece of chain. I wanted the chains to dangle at different lengths on each side. To do that, measure 10cm of one end. Position the chain just below the bottom bead. Wrap the wire around the chain and put it through the patch. Make sure the wire goes between the cups on the chain, not on top of them. Do it a second time to fully secure it. The rest of the process is the same as with the first one. So, take your wire to the center of the patch to secure the row of 4 beads in place, and then attach it to the hairpin like before. And there you have it. That's how you can make an easy butterfly hairpin. They're great worn on their own or scattered all over your hair for a Y2K look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.